Welcome to this video where I will explain to you what is an AI agent for beginners. Let's say it like that. If ChatGPT gives you answers, an AI agent takes actions for you. In more details, an AI agent is a system that can think, decide, and take actions to reach a goal. All of this automatically. Think of it like a digital worker. It understands your instructions, makes a plan, uses tools, and completes tasks without you supervising every step. How this work on n8n, for example. This is an AI agent, and as you see here on the left, this is what triggers this AI agent to work. This trigger can be a chat message, a received Gmail email, anything you can think of. After this AI agent receives or is triggered, it uses and every AI agent on n8n uses a chat model, a memory, and tool. So when this AI agent is triggered, is first triggered, it uses the chat model. For example, here I'm using Gemini. You can use ChatGPT, Claude, whatever LLM service you are using. So the role of the chat model is helping the AI agent understand actions or understand your request. For example, if here there is no chat model, if I trigger this AI agent asking it, for example, send a message to Mike, letting him know that I will not or I will arrive soon. This message will not be understood by AI agent because there is no chat model. So here you need to use a chat model in order for your AI agent. Let's add it back. Now with a chat model, my AI agent can understand my instructions. After understanding my instructions, the AI agent automatically makes a plan according to your instructions or according to its role that you can give. Here, if I double click this AI agent square, here I will see system message. So here you give it its main role in order to respond with the correct or to give you what you are asking, what you are wanting from him. And for example, and after making a plan, it started using tools. This tools process, it depends on a task. If a task requires, for example, to add a new row in Google Sheets, for example, it will tell Google Sheets to add a new row. If the request was only saying hello, then the tools are not touched. With all of this without supervising every step. Now let's give this AI agent a demo. For example, I will click on open chat. So here my my trigger is a chat message. Let's call it hi. If you pay attention, my request went to the AI agent, and the AI agent used the Gemini chat model to understand my request. And let's see the reply. Hello, how can I help you today? Let's give it clear instructions. For example, you are a sunglasses salesman. Now let's close this, and now if I say hi, the reply will be hello again, looking for a new pair of shades or just browsing. As you see, the system message made a difference even I said the same word, which is hi. So this is how the AI agent works. And if here I want you to pay close attention to the used. Yes, as you see, my chat message will go to the chat model. For example, let's look for what is, or my name is Ben. Here it will use both the chat model to understand my question and memory to memorize my name. I think it only uses the chat model. Hi Ben, great to meet you. So Ben, what kind of sunglasses you are looking for today? Something for the beach, driving, or just stylish everyday pair? For example, let's ask it what is my name. Your name is Ben. Only using only the chat model or the chat model memory, it remembered my name back. So here there are multiple types of memories you can set up. This is the simplest memory type that you can add to ChatGPT. Just click on this plus icon, and here you can see a lot of types of memories. Let's add the simplest one. Let's delete the old one and place the. Now here you can link or add multiple tools to your AI agent. For example, let's say I want to send emails. Then after getting replies, I want to store those replies in a Google Sheet. You can also link tools, for example, mail tools, for example, like MailChimp, or there are multiple tools that you can link. This is an email service called Active Campaign. By the way, adding tools to your AI agent are not this simple. First, you need to add the node or this step, this circle. After that, you should give it your credentials to connect it with your real account on Active Email, or yes, Active Campaign, for example. After connecting your own account, here if I call it unsubscribe, for example, this email, for example, ben@gmail.com from my mail list, it will understand my question, try to go to Active Campaign, but here I can't, as you see, I can't directly unsubscribe you from a mailing list with the tools I have. However, I can help you draft an email and so on. Now let's see examples of AI agent. An AI agent can be, for example, an SEO agent that finds keywords for you, analyzes competitors, write content drafts for you automatically after telling it using the chat model, or just by receiving, for example, a form, or after or simply or just after submitting a form on your website. For example, you set up a form on your website where you just give it a keyword. It uses or it finds similar keywords, analyze competitions, and write a content draft for you. All of this automatically. Another example is a customer support agent that read messages, finds answers, send replies. Here, let's say for finding answers, you can limit it or you can ask it to only answers depending or only from a memory that you gave it. This memory can be as simple as a Google Google Doc text file, for example. You give it all your company information, for example, and it will start answering following your limited information. An AI agent can also be a real estate agent that scrapes listings, filter the best ones, and email clients for you. Now that we understand a little bit what is an AI agent, what is an AI agent compared to a chatbot? A chatbot can be on ChatGPT, for example. And here, this is a little description, a little comparison. A chatbot for example, ChatGPT can only answer questions, while AI agent can get tasks done for you. Only one message at a time. Here, AI agent can make multiple step workflows instantly or automatically. ChatGPT does not use tools by default, while AI agent can use tools like here Active Campaign, Gmail, Google Sheets, and also let's see if you ask ChatGPT or a chatbot, find me 20 keywords and put them into Google Sheet. Yes, ChatGPT will understand your request, but it can't do it alone because it does not have access to Google Sheet. And also it does not do actions for you. But an AI agent can find 20 keywords and do the action of putting them in Google Sheets. And this is the difference between a chatbot and ChatGPT. I hope this video clarify what is an AI agent for you. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below. And don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you.